Although, it started noong 2012 siya, pero nasa ilang daang bilyon lang ang naggasto sa flood control for 6 years under Pinoy. Mayroong 9 na kumpanya sinediskaya to basically flood bidding project para masiguro na sa kanila at sa kanila lang ang hulog ng pera no matter which company gets it. Kaya kahit maban sila, katulad ng gustong gawin ni Tizon for life even, okay lang kasi meron pang 8 kumpanya sinediskaya. And it's not just the Diskayas, it's literally almost everyone.
Mr. Chair, with the indulgence of the SP Pro Temp, kaugnay nung pagtatanong ni SP Pro Temp sa ngayon, gusto kong makapag-flash ng screenshot po nung siyam na calling cards, nung siyam na kumpanyang iyon. Calling card po ni Mr. Curly Diskaya, na asawa po ni Ms. Diskaya. So, mag-asawa po, dapat alam po nila in greater detail itong mga kumpanyang ito. Ito po, Mr. Chair, SP Pro Temp. Siyam na calling cards nung siyam na kumpanya, lahat sa pangalan ni Pacifico o Curly Diskaya. So, dapat po mas alam po, both ni Ms. Sara Diskaya at Ms. Roma Diskaya Rimando ang mga detalye na tinatanong ni SP Pro Temp. Salamat, Mr. Chair at SP Pro Temp.
Thank you, Senator Risa. Madam Diskaya, Sara, it is common knowledge that you own 9 companies, namely St. Gerard, St. Timothy, Alpha and Omega, Elite General Contractor and Development Corporation, St. Matthew, Great Pacific Builders, YPR General Contractor, Amethyst Horizon Builders, and Waymaker OPC. Am I correct?
Yes po.
Hanggang ngayon, up to now, you own these 9 construction companies?
Yes po.
All right.
This is just for Alpha and Omega po.
What about the other companies? What about the other 8 remaining companies that you own?
I don't have the statistics for that because I was only called as Alpha and Omega.
You admitted earlier when I asked you if you own these 9 companies and you answered in the affirmative. Right now I'm asking you kung ilan yung 71 flood control projects na napanalunan ninyo. Now you're only speaking in behalf of Alpha Phi Omega. Kanina sinabi mo ikaw may-ari ng Siyam. Why can't you answer in behalf of the 8 remaining companies?
Kasi po,